Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Bridge Bites. Today we are going to see ragi banana cake made with Nature's millet cake premix. To buy this millet premix, check out the description. The package comes with a free measuring cup, premix powder separately and jaggery powder separately so that you can increase or decrease or even change the sweetener according to your choice. Before starting, we'll preheat our cooker or kadhai. So close the cooker lid without the gasket or the rubber and place a stand and allow it to preheat. Now in a bowl, take 3 fully ripened bananas and mash it well. Here I have taken Robusto bananas. To the bananas add 60 ml of oil, or you can even use melted butter too. To this banana, add the jaggery powder. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. I have added the entire pack here. Mix it well until everything gets blended. Sieve the premix into the bowl and mix it well. To this, add 180 ml of milk. You can use the measuring cup to measure the ingredients. Now mix it well until everything comes to a smooth paste. Now we'll grease a 7-inch pan with some oil and place a butter paper and pour the batter into it. Garnish it with dry fruits of your choice. That is optional. And place it in the cooker for 30 to 35 minutes until the square comes out clean. We have not used the whistle. You can check the skewer is coming out clean. If it's anything stuck there, you can bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Loosen the sides with blunt knife and turn it over a wire rack. Allow it to cool before cutting it. Now our banana cake is ready. Isn't it great? You have a healthy snacks made with ragi and jaggery within minutes at your home. Thank you for watching.